guys. Happy Halloween. I know it's a little early, but we're gonna celebrate a little bit early with making some Halloween recipes. So, are y'all ready? We're gonna make some candy corn cookies. We're gonna make some Goblin Eye deviled eggs. So, it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be something that Kynlie can help with, that she can eat. We're gonna have a good time. And we're gonna show you her new costume that she's gonna be wearing. Now I do wanna let you guys know this is Kynlie's first trick or treat. I know that's weird because Kynlie's 5. I'm sorry, I don't think I've ever told y'all that. She's 5. And I've never taken her trick or treating. Just haven't. Not because I don't like the holiday or just no specific reason. I've never taken her trick or treating. Mainly just because, I will say one reason, just because she really likes candy and junk. And I know, I have a feeling that we're not even gonna make it out of people's driveways and she's gonna open candy. And Kynlie has a lot of energy, y'all. And I can just only imagine how that's gonna go that night. She's not even gonna wanna put the bucket down to like do anything other than eat candy out this bucket. So I'm a little concerned, but it's okay. We're gonna let her have a good time. It's fine. But yeah, we're gonna get this recipe started. I'll show you guys what I'm putting in, and I'll also put the ingredient links for the actual recipes that I'm using down below. So stay tuned, guys.
I like it.
All right, so we have the Munchkin. Say hello.
Hello.
Say, how are you guys?
How are you guys?
All right, so are you ready to make some cookies?
Yes.
You ready to do some Halloween stuff?
Yes.
Awesome. Let's get started, guys.
Let's go city, guys.
All right, Kynlie. So you ready for the first thing?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna start our deviled eggs because they are going to take a while. You see the eggs?
Yeah.
Be careful. You gotta be careful. Okay, let me put it in there. You can hand them to me. Hand them to me. Okay. All right, we gotta be careful. Do it soft. All right. Be careful. Be careful. All right. Good job. So, guys, we have 12 eggs that we are going to...
12 eggs.
12 eggs. You see them? You want to count them?
Yes.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12.
Good job. Give me 5. Awesome. All right. We are going to go get these eggs started.
Yes.
So since we have 12 eggs, we're going to end up with 24 halves. So, okay, guys. So we have our eggs on the stove. Got Kynlie helping.
Eggs.
We have our red food coloring so that we can make the lines
Okay.
on the egg. So you got to boil it in the food coloring.
Yeah.
So let's get it started. Kynlie, gonna drip it?
Yeah.
Pour some in there. What color is that?
Red.
Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. All right. All right, guys, we'll let you know when the progress starts. Be back in a few. All right, guys, so for the next part, since we already started our eggs and they're boiling, we need to start on our candy corn cookies. So I'm not making dough from scratch today. I can, but I don't want to. Wanted to make this easy for her. We got our gloves on. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so we have to make a white layer. We're gonna put it in this bowl that's lined with saran wrap. All right, so for the first layer, we're gonna put this in there like that, Kynlie.
Ice cream.
It's not ice cream, it's cookie dough. You're gonna smash it down?
Okay.
Push it down. Oh, good job. Come on, let's smash it. Yeah. Get in there. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little cold. All right. You having fun?
Yes.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. All right, good job. So we have our bottom layer in there. We're gonna try to get that level on all the sides.
Do you have the red one?
We're gonna do that one in just a second.
With the yellow one?
And a yellow one. We're gonna make orange.
With the big red.
We gotta make orange. Red and yellow make orange, guys, in case you
Orange.
didn't know.
Okay.
All right,
Red.
so we're gonna go put this bottom layer in the refrigerator for a minute so it doesn't get too soft while we're doing the other two layers. And then we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we have our next set of cookie dough. We're gonna put the yellow in there,
Okay.
just a little. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. No more, no more. Oh, this girl, she's so funny. All right, so we're gonna mix it together.
Okay.
Be careful. We're gonna do it slow. Okay? All right. Is your glove coming off?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Give me the eggs.
Okay, so look, what color is it?
Yellow.
We got yellow colored cookies. All right, so I think we have all the yellow mixed in there, all nice and good. Thank you. All right, we're all done. I got a good helper, y'all. So we're gonna put this.
The red one.
The red one?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna make orange. Are you ready to make the color orange?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna do that next. So, all right, guys. So we have our white layer, our
Red.
yellow layer, and now we're about to do the orange.
Can you make the orange?
Yeah.
Yay,
All right.
orange.
We got our next set of cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
Cookie dough.
All right, let's put it in our bowl.
Okay.
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 Okay, girl.
No. Look at that cookie.
All right, you ready to make the color orange?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you for asking so nicely. All right, so I put some yellow.
No.
I'm gonna let you do the red. You wanna do the red?
Yes.
All right, just a little bit. Okay, that's good. All right. Yeah, we're making orange.
Get yellow.
We're gonna make orange.
You can make the yellow.
We're gonna make orange. You don't wanna make orange?
Yes, orange. We can make the orange cookie.
Hmm.
Can you make the yellow cookie?
We made a yellow cookie. We're gonna make orange now.
Can you make the orange and the red? We can make
All right. So what color is what color is it?
orange.
It's turning orange.
Orange.
This is turning pretty.
Pretty orange.
Kynlie, you're having more fun with them gloves than you are with doing the cookie dough. You can't keep them on your hands. I should have got her some baby gloves, I guess. Wasn't thinking about the glove part. I mean, I was, but I wasn't, I guess. It's looking really orange, Kynlie.
Okay.
Okay. Girl, you better call IJustGotHit.com. Okay. This is not sponsored, y'all. I just like to hear her say
And
that.
the orange.
It's orange. You want to show everybody?
Yes.
Look, let's show them. It's orange.
Cookie.
All right, so
We can make the yellow.
we already did yellow.
Can have to be tinted.
All right. Wait. Hold on. Wait, baby. Stop. Let me help you. We got to spread it out. See?
Spread around.
Okay. You're doing it too hard. Calm down, baby. Calm down, okay? All right. So, what color is this that's on top, Kynlie?
Orange.
Yes, ma'am.
The orange. Yellow.
And then what color is at the bottom?
Yellow.
White is at the very, very bottom.
Okay.
All right, guys. So, we have white, we have
White.
yellow, we have orange.
The white and yellow and orange.
All right. Now,
Can you put it in the refrigerator?
yes, ma'am. That's what we're gonna do next. We're putting it in the refrigerator. You heard her, guys. It is going in the refrigerator because it needs to cool down because we have been manipulating this dough and it is warm. So, we got it in our bowl, all wrapped up. Let's go put it in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Catch y'all when it cools down. All right, so now they're done boiling.
Eggs.
Now we need to crack them a little bit.
Okay, Mommy, crack them.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah. All right, we're all done. Wait, stop. We gotta let. It's hot. I don't want you to burn yourself.
Get crack them.
They're cracked. Okay.
Crack.
All right. So now we're gonna put them in the refrigerator. Are you ready? Okay, guys. We are all done. We have our googly eye goblin deviled eggs with the bloodshot eyes. Can y'all see them? I'm sorry, I messed that egg up a little bit. But I did add some bacon to them. And they are so delicious. But I did want to show you guys the finished product of what Kynlie and I put together on the eggs. And I'll show you the cookies in just a second, guys. Okay, guys. So we had to change our plans. It turned into a candy corn cookie cake with cream cheese icing because it all went together. That was my bad. But they're still gonna be good. Kynlie, you wanna try a piece of the cookie? Cookie? Do you like your costume?
Yes.
What is it?
Ladybug.
What else does it do? What does it do?
A ladybug.
Press the button. It lights up. Let me see the back. Let me see your wings. Turn around.
Wait.
Turn around. Ooh, pretty. Wow, I like it.
I like it.
Awesome. Well, guys, we're all done with our Halloween treats. Hope you guys had fun.
Did you like treats?
Yeah, did we have fun making treats?
Yes.
Yeah? You gonna tell everybody goodbye and we'll see them next time?
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween, guys.